Hey guys, just back with an update video on the 2010 Traverse. Had a no start condition. Sounded like something with the timing chain. Didn't throw no codes. It just all of a sudden quit. And when I went to go turn it over, it was just giving me this weird type of turnover. This compression didn't sound right at all. So I made a video on it on why I had my no start condition. I took it apart and I did show something on the timing chain. A lot of these cases, check your crankcase, because I did one timing chain one time thinking it was the timing chain and just the VVT sprocket. Replaced everything, did everything, made the mistake of not checking the crank, and was still having the same type of trouble. Now I don't know exactly what's causing this or why it does this, but yeah, it always seems to have like these types of problems at 3.6 liters. They have like it throws a VVT. I don't know if it's the sprocket itself that goes first, the oil isn't getting in properly in all the engine. Let's get some specialists on this, or somebody give me an answer as to why these engines do that. I looked for info on it, there's nothing on it. I never get a complete answer, straight answer on it. To me, it's like every time I open up the engine, looks like it's not getting oil properly. I'm just a replacement artist. I'm not a specialist on certain engines and everything. I know what types of engines, I know cars and everything, but again, I'm not a specialist on the engine. I don't know exactly everything about it. As they're coming new to me, I just learn as I go, and I fix things and I replace things. And to get down to the root of the problem, I don't know, waste of time to me. Some people, if they specialize in this, they're making money doing this. So to me, it's like I can't take the time to specialize in learning something. But anyway, let's get back to the point. On these 3.6 engines, I took it apart. I made a video on the timing chain. Timing chain was thrown, it was off. The sprockets themselves, as you could see right there, sorry, I'm smoking. The sprockets themselves right there, one of them busted. Timing chain was off. You could just tell there was something off about it. It just wasn't right. Now I'm going to have to replace everything. But I got down to, decided to take the crank apart, took out and noticed that one of these, you could just move it and it's loose. So then I was like, okay, there's something wrong there. So I took the loosest one. Again, I'm smoking. I took the loosest one and took it apart and found this. Now, again, I don't know if that caused the problem to begin with or the sprocket itself caused the problem to begin with. I know it's an oil issue. I could feel, like every time I touch everything in here, there's dirt. I could feel the dirt in the oil. And take a guess, oil was probably the issue on this one. Again, I'm not a specialist. I don't positively know, but yeah, let's get some answers on this engine. They're all going in at 2010, 11, 12. They all seem to have the same problems. But yeah, that's on no start condition on a 2010 Chev Traverse. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do with this engine, what I'm going to do, if I'm going to rebuild this one or if I'm going to just get another one. If I get another one, I don't know. Again, I said in my last video, is it going to do the same thing? Or if I get another one, hopefully I could try to take care of it enough, change the oils properly. Maybe rebuild it. Well, that's what I'm in the process of doing now. If I get an engine, I'm going to rebuild it, make sure everything's nice and clean, everything's nice and working order. I don't know if I'm going to go new. Problem is it worth it to spend all the money on this vehicle? I'm just doing it to get the videos out of it. But anyway, that's on a 2010 Traverse. Yeah, let's get some answers, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.